You like hiking, I like hiking. This video is a bit of a obituary and a PSA. These boots are dead. I have had these boots since 1999. That makes these boots 23 years old. These boots have been everywhere that I have been, and I've been to some crazy places in the last 23 years, including deep in the Kauai jungle, all over Iceland, deep into the Grand Canyon, through the Narrows in Zion National Park, multiple trips through the Adirondacks, into the White Mountains. There's too many to list, and most recently to a live volcano in Iceland, which is where I am right now when I say goodbye to these boots. They serve their purpose more than I could ever imagine, and for that, a shout out to Asolo, who makes these boots. Obviously, I will be buying another pair of them because, well, I got another 23 years in me for sure. A good pair of boots and an old piece of gear are really, really hard to let go of. One, because they're conformed to your feet, and that's one of the most important things there is in hiking. No blusters, no hot spots, none of that stuff. But also, an old piece of gear, it's kind of like an old friend. It's been with you on so many adventures and so many things. I hate getting rid of it. We're finally laying these down to rest, and I think that there's no better place to leave them but here in Iceland at the mouth of a volcano. I'm not actually going to leave it in the mouth of a volcano. I'm going to throw them out in a garbage can. But rather than try and repair them, I'm going to retire them. It's with that, I have a bit of sadness, but I also think that it is a fitting goodbye. Now, before any of you get upset with me for throwing out a pair of boots that could be resold or reworked, let me explain. I need new soles on these boots because the fronts of them are destroyed and the bottom of them just have very little tread and they kind of slip. I also broke a buckle, or one of the metal fasteners that the shoelace goes through. So it needs quite a bit of work to get them back into operating shape. And when considering the cost of new soles and fixing the buckle and probably some other just overall refurbishments, I'm in for a couple $100 at the minimum. So I figure I'll get some new boot technology. I'm sure they'll be a little bit lighter, but just as durable. These have served me well. So I'm happy to say goodbye to them here, but a little sad. I'm not gonna kiss them or anything like that, but if you're looking for a good pair of hiking boots, check out Asolos. I can't say enough about the brand and these boots. I mean, fucking people, fucking spitting, driving crazy.